emabega kaawo Nakangubi Jennifer full figure yagobwa ku mpewo, yali akola ku radio TV emanyikibwa nga Salt. Bwacha kumacha ne bawandika ekiwandiiko nti awummuzibwa. Later on ensi etegeera nti bamuwummuza nga baagala asooka agende asome. Amawulire ge naakafuna kati full figure abadde nga asoma ku Mukaati School of Journalism. Essomero lyange liweddemu ekitiibwa, munansonyiwa okyogera. Avuddeyo n'akola speech mu Luzungu okakasa abo bonna bonna abadde bamusekeeterera nti she is well versed with English era ssettendekero wat Umukaati amukozeemu omulimu ogw'ettendo. Njagala olabeka vidiyo kano kabadde kanzisizza enseko bannaaye. Oli kuva strange.
Balina endowooza nti okusoma and language. I want to teach you language and okusoma is a two different things. But people balina mind egamba nti okusoma lw'ebizungu. There are many people there balina one question to me. Why you to be a president's advisor? You know? I think you have that questions over there.
Yes.
How? But today I'm going to give the answer and I'm going to teach you. Please get a pen and a book and some paper to write my points. I understand your question, but I'm not choose you. I want to tell those people to understand what is education. You get it? Are you ready?
Yeah, ready.
Gasina bakuddamu question njagala mbaweeyo ekintu kimu. Mu nsi mulimu ebintu bingi naye I think mwena mumanyi ekintu bayita appointing a sort oba kyosobola okuyita luck oba abantu abali lucky. But before nga tonaba kuba lucky oli supposed kola ki? Because oyinza okubeera lucky. Nze I'm also a lucky. I'm so lucky because even okubeera ku Mukaati is a calling. Do you know why I'm choosing Mukaati? Do you know Mukaati? Where? You go and search for students abasomedeko ku Mukaati. Olabe kye bali mu ggwanga. Ate ogendeko ne ku masomero amalala era osaakingeko ku baana basomere ku masomero amalala. That's why I'm choosing Mukaati. My point is, some people mumanyi nti oluzungu kwe kusoma. Okusoma kwanjawulo n'oluzungu. Era muli eyo mulinze my broken English. Every camera look at just wait my broken English. English is just a language like Luganda, like Arabs, like Swahili, like you know, some people work against just a language. You get me? But people can watch money. That's why I'm Sabine Madam Moderator. So some small things. there are many people in the world that wasn't oluzungu kwe kusoma. Naye abantu bangi bage waliyo n'amasomero nga tegasomesa luzungu by the way. Abamu basoma French, abasoma Swahili, abasoma any languages. Nekireetera abaana abasomye okubeera nga munafa mu mind, okubeera nga mwetya nga mwenyuma because you are speaking to English but you are poor. You don't have a money, you don't have a connection, you don't have a friend, you don't have a favor, you are not a dad like me. You know? So that's why secondly, I'm so lucky. I'm a president's advisor because I'm lucky. That's why I'm here. Maybe let me go to Muka and take something. Do you know Omani? Maybe the Prime Minister or a Speaker of Parliament, maybe a President. Okay? That's why Naja Umuka nyongere kuchemina. Education has no cost. Some people are complaining, others are never complaining, but education has no cost. That's why even MP or Minister even Minister Kabaka won't get a degree. So that's why section to Jijeo, because everyone you were just waiting. Oh my God, Tamani Muzungu. I am not a Muzungu. I never feel small because I don't know English. That's why I'm here. I'm a student of Muka. You get something. You understand? I think it's because panic is just waiting. What? You get? So thank you so much. I love you so much. I think you take a year deal. Thank you so much, Madam Moderator. Let us together go point. I think Bambuziza Okusoma oba debate tetuliko erina ekigendererwa ekyokwogera nti okusoma kwenfluences oba kuyambye ensi ezikyakula.
The question was, okusinziira ku kutegeera okusoma kyeki?
Okusinziira ku ntegeera yange okusoma, education is the key. Education as everything, I think, education. According to restoration, is a social capital. You are here, umuntu asobola okuba nga teyasoma naye ngaali creating either nga alina gyawangaalira ngaali okay naye ng'alina kyamisinga nga talina even obi oba obesi nga nebagamba nti mu URA watise emmotoka 10 naye omuntu alina obi wayinza okuba nga yali mu URA nga yasoma naye ku omukaati ng'akasuku yali ku next media nasoma naye Joyce Bagala MP w'Emityana nakyenjagala okusuubulayo Faida Nakazi wali ku MPS njagalayo omulimu omwana mwena kyayagalayo bwemba nasoma naye ku omukaati kinyongera okubanga mbanina tinyamukubira mugambe my hobby I'm the one biva mu kusoma nti mu kusoma kuyamba kinene nnyo ensi zaffe ezikyako naffe ng'abantu era nsigala on my conclusion is education is the link over education is the key.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Given the context of Uganda, was the dominance of education, knowledge and skills being given out common in English. Do you think it's one of the limitations to people accessing education? Do you think it has any impact on how people can access education and how they can use it? And if you think there's a limit, what are the solutions?
Okay, thank you so much, Madam Moderator, for that question. So, dear Pan, I would like to inform you that I don't think really English is the real major cause as to why education should be really, a limit to us Ugandans or any developing country. Reason being, well, when you look at the people who have attained, she's talking about education, and when you look at the people who have well-attained education, they have gotten jobs to work in countries that are foreign. And these foreign countries, you can't go to a foreign country when you don't know their language. When you don't know a native language that's really going to help you to communicate to the people. We need to know that English to be well informed, because you're going to go to England, people speak English. Your boss is going to address you in English, and then let's say, take a circumstance, you only know your local language, you know vernacular. So you're going to reply to your boss in Uganda, boss Hogena Muga, Bochanti, Munange Teba boss. It's going to create language barrier for all of us. So I think we should just adapt this thing of learning English so it can help us to widen our circles, just like I talked about the social capital. The more you know something, the more your circle is widened. So if you know the language, it's going to widen your circle. And even though you know the English, do not hesitate to learn your mother language. This is Uganda, tulibana Uganda, tuno manya olulimi lwaffe ng'abana Uganda. Wakati wotamanya Luganda unamonya Luzungu. Tosa kumanya Luzungu olulimi lwo tolukola ki tolumanyi. Olina obeera nga wekkiriza mu nnimizo nga tewekkiriza nti oli Uganda and you're really proud to be a Ugandan. And I'm proud to be a Ugandan. Me knowing English does not hesitate me from speaking Uganda. Netingana kwogera Luganda kubanga lulimi lwange era nino Luganda. Thank you so much.
But still, the subsequent question to that, we have a place in this country called Katwe.
Yes.
You know Katwe?
Yes, I do.
Do you all people know Katwe?
Yeah.
It is a place, something like that. Everything you see here can be fabricated in that case. Abantu abasinga abaliyo tebamanyi Luzungu. Okujjako ennaku nawulira Makerere mubawa ne mugenda yayiye. But ffe twawulira nga abantu abayitibwa Luzungu. So, Japan, nina ekimotoka kyange kiva Japan. Wali Uganda tewali asobola kikola naye tebogera Luzungu. Bugambye abantu bagenda Saudi Arabia, for example, bogera Lugwarabu. Njagala nga gwe student obuulire engeri gavumenti gyeyinza okukwasaganya mu linking languages, not as the yardstick of skills and knowledge acquisition, but okukikozesa nga an accelerator, nga a motivator for people to acquire knowledge. The government yakikoze okusinziza ku government education system. For example, kumukatwa omuleetaana Abasomalia abatamanyi Luzungu, should they first go through an English course? What do you think government should do to link language and skills acquisition to foster development?
Okay, thank you, Madam Moderator. Naenda Webagamenti Oluzungu, it's a language that is actually, when you come to Uganda, English is the official language that was wrote by the British. So we just adapt it. People study German, people are studying a lot of languages. So when you take the initiative for the government, we should just submit it into the government that the government should introduce these languages to different schools. We all need to be educated. To know kumanya ichi bigenda maso mawanga, sinchi wabanga ati. It's just because it's what we have to do, but it's something that is going to add impact. Just like you said, in some countries they don't speak English. Japan, they don't speak English. Saudi, they just speak their Arabic. So when we bring this into us Ugandans in these different schools, kituyambako nti tabaawo language barrier. Kale kufa abasomako ku history twali tumanyi back in the days walingawo language barrier kubanga baali tebazimanyi nnimi. Naye kati Uganda etandise ekyuka. Even education system egeze ekyuka. Nti osanga amasomero agamu basoma German, they learn the Latin. It's something that is really, really interesting. And I think the government has already tried to adopt that, maybe to some schools that have failed to do so.
So,
Yes.
do you think government should bring language as a subject, not as a channel of communication? When, for example, when you're doing your radio and TV production, you can do it in Uganda. Okay. So you can be taught how to operate a camera or edit in Uganda, and you can do it.